Damn, miss. You got one.
Yo,
Yo. What up, what up, what up?
yo, it's good.
What up, what up, what up? Damn. 50 people off the rip? Bro, it's been 2 minutes.
Yeah,
50 people off the rip?
the
Damn.
people are excited.
People are excited to hop on the stream now, man. I love it. Love the vibes. Damn, off the rip. You know, damn. Cool. Trying to make this money. Yeah, bro, this is the first time looking at charts all week. I was busy yesterday, so I couldn't really hop on charts at all. Busy watching my team take an L, sadly. My hockey team take an
Yeah, they
L.
stuck out, eh?
Naruto. Ruthless though. Anyways, GJ looks like it should be headed down to 138 today. 138, 100 levels. I'm thinking these levels down here. That's good. You guys had to take a trade yesterday?
Nah,
Nah?
no. I was looking at the charts, but I didn't take anything.
Yeah, then you just clean to come down to the support today.
Yeah, this is extremely clean.
Yeah, very clean entry. It's like a nice 17 pip move. Very clean. Cause like if you look at GG guys, if you just look at this, focus on this area. We made so price with GJ, what it did was it pretty much last night it drove up and we came down to retest that support, right? To retest the support, and we did come up, we did reject off of it, right? So which means that this support is now valid, which is it's now a valid support. Now you can look at it as a recent support. What happened after was UJ actually just came back down and broke through that support on this candle. And once this candle closed right here, it was a done deal for GJ. GJ gonna come straight down to now this support now. The next logical support area, which is this level if you look left. Traffic, traffic, traffic. That's the next logical support area. So this is what I'm saying. GJ could come down to 138, 128, right? But I think on the daily we're bearish, yeah. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna come down. Weekly bearish as well. So looks like we could come down this week. I don't know to where yet. On a day today, it looks like we can potentially come down to as long as this high breaks, the day high breaks at 138, 842 breaks. I mean respects, we should be able to come down to probably 137, 190. Right, but then you gotta go on a smaller time for now. So how's it gonna be possible? That's gonna be possible probably when we break below like these levels here. Once you break this, we need to break this, and then we gotta break this. Once you break this, clean traffic looking left, coming down to this target, 137, 100. So that's what I'm looking for in GJ today. It's pretty simple, right? Stick to the plan, look for sales today, and yeah, got these pips rolling this week, guys. We had a good week last week. I think we took like one loss on the stream probably. I think on like a Tuesday or Monday. Okay. Actually got one of my charts from a student on GJ. He actually talked about, he sent me this around 6 a.m. I'll show you guys in a bit here. How do I make this? So he sent me this chart, right, on GJ, and pretty clean chart. This is GJ on a 1 hour time frame. He said how he's focused on this area right here, right? These levels. If you look at GJ here, you see that GJ actually, he expected GJ to come back in the Ranger. If it breaks, we're gonna come down to the support, and this move is happening right now on GJ. This is a nice fake out move here on GJ. Very clean chart from one of the Control FX students here. Clean. What's up, man? Wish y'all a legit week. What's up, everyone? Yeah, so I missed the buy, my buy entry, but I think if I did enter, I would have hit my entry anyways. My buy entry would have been this candle right here. I mean sell candle would have been this entry right here. This would have been about 8 pips. I would have hit entry anyways, right? So I'm not even mad. Cause I would have moved stops to entry. So I think sells for me would probably be when this 1 hour closes here. So if this 1 hour, like if this 1 hour closes bearish here, even if it doesn't close below this level here, we should still be able to push down here. So let's say it closes like this 1 hour candle. It comes down like this, right? Even if it doesn't close below, it still should be able to push down here on the next candle. Cause this is what happens when, like, usually what I see with fake outs or like just anything in general. If a account closes bearish, and it doesn't even close below that support, like on certain scenarios, like for example this scenario, it usually continues to trend because it closed bearish though. So it doesn't really have to close below, but if it closes below, that'll be an actual win, actual an extra confirmation. But sometimes price doesn't close below and it just continues to go down. I'll show you guys a couple of examples in the past, but let's see. For example, like right here, you know, we had a support being made. This candle never closed below, but it still closed bearish below support, and we were able to push down in next candle. Where else is there? There's also like there are certain scenarios where it happened as well. Let's see. It just depends on the scenario, right? Because this is like more of like a fake out. If you just look at it, like the gulag fake out plays, what I'm talking about. Like those plays in general, specifically, those two pairs, they really like when it happens. If you guys know what it is, when it happens, it doesn't really necessarily have to close back in the range. It can just close bearish like near that support, and the next guy usually has a high chance of driving down. Can you go over US 30? Yeah, sure, go over it. Expecting us to push up this week. I did mention last week this area hasn't been tapped yet. This is my targets though. 28,227 for US 30. Been calling it for I think about 3 weeks now. Expecting us to pop up today. I think probably if you break above. Ooh, we gotta break above these levels, I think. It just this is a bit choppy right now. It doesn't look as clean. But a break above that level and we should be able to push up here. Probably what I'm saying. Because they closed bullish, right? Everything closed bullish here. If you look left, we have no traffic after 27,674. So your focus should be this area right here. You know, all the way across. This is your focus right here. This great box is where you should be trading for your US 30. So focus on buys. There's no buy entries right now. Me personally, I wouldn't enter right now. I'll wait for breaks above these current levels here. This is the resistance area that we're rejecting off of. Heavy resistance on the 30 from the 15 minute. But a break above there would be nice buys. Cool. What up though? What's up, bro? If you guys enjoyed the stream so far, leave a like. The streams are popping off this week. Last week I'm pretty happy. The channel's popping off, guys. We're road to 2K subscribers, soon to be 10K. By December we should be at 10K subscribers. You can probably record that, and you know, you should be happy to be here before we hit the 10K mark. You know. Where's Jimbo? Oh, he's here. Allow participants to mute himself. Are you guys unmuted? Did I mute you guys?
No.
Oh. Alright, I thought I muted you guys. Jimbo!
You were just going off there for a sec, so.
Oh. Yo, Jimbo, what up, bro?
Bro, my foot hurts, bro.
What?
That's good.
My foot hurts.
What you got,
This guy
COVID?
cheddar bobbed himself, bro.
No, bro. Saturday was too lit for me, man. Never again. Fuck that.
I don't even want to ask.
I know I asked you.
Burnout City, bro. Burnout City. I did my first burnout. Wow. I feel like a whole different person.
I popped my first 0.01 lot. I feel like a whole different person.
Yes, sir. I popped my first 0.01 on US 30. Feeling like the man this morning. Nice.
This one is on close here.
Yo, Dom, what do you think of this 15-minute closes bearish like this?
I like the idea. I kind of want the 1 hour to close though.
It was a nice way.
I mean, it's gonna close bullish. So if it I want it to close bullish, because I want to see how the 1 hour closes. I don't want to enter off this candle at all. It broke the highs. I don't know, bro. It should close bullish doji or doji, whatever it is. So I'm gonna probably wait for the 1 hour to close there. A nice wick fold candle.
There's no top wick on the 5. So it's gonna drop. Yeah, break the neck.
Gold. Damn. We actually came down last Friday. The target. Where can we go this week, guys? We're gonna
People
pop down this
calling
week.
2,000. I'm like, sir.
I think if you break the support, we can pop down on the 4-hour time frame. If you break the support here at 2023, we should be able to push down to probably looking left like these levels of resistance level. Like yeah, 1981 if 2024 breaks, right? But you know, the weekly still bullish. Weekly still bullish with nice wick fill. So as long as the weekly respects, because gold it can come down to 1979 and just come back up for the rest of the week. Because even if it does come down to that support, it's still not breaking the lows of last week. It's still not breaking 1959. So as long as it respects 1959, we should be able to make new highs like this week. So overall, we're still bullish. Keep that in mind, guys.
Good news comes out tomorrow. You just see gold at 1,800 again. Looking at.
Oh, what is news tomorrow?
I'm playing. It's news today though. At 9.
Minor news. Really much.
Jolts. Whatever that is.
At 10. 10 a.m.
Oh, I'm tripping.
Yeah,
Thanks,
61
homie.
viewers, and it's not even 7. Goddamn. It's been 15
Nice.
minutes. 15 minutes.
Oh,
Yo,
fuck,
over the
that's too
weekend,
much
bro.
talk,
Oh,
man.
I got so many DMs. Like literally, Bear thing. I love the streams. Blah blah. Bunch.
Another one says, "You suck." Like a
Nah, I didn't get one this weekend.
lot.
I didn't get one of those guys this weekend. It's all love this weekend. I don't know where people are on. What happened on
I
Friday? A
forgot.
giveaway? Friday giveaway. Oh, where did he join? Where are the winners at?
Yeah.
Hold on. Who are the winners?
Where one is that?
Let's see.
How y'all winning that joint?
For real.
Give me the course back. We run the course back. Yaga.
Yeah.
They said US 30 is bullish this week. Looks like it.
Who else won it?
I see US 30 being bullish this week.
I just messaged them to say. ID Cat. Oh, aren't you the winner, bro? Hop on the Zoom side, bro. Why you on the YouTube side?
Part of VIP club, bro. Why you still in GA right now? Looking at
So on the YouTube side. Go my worst enemy. I got enemies. I got a lot of enemies. Yeah. Oh yeah, work. Guys. Well, that's about to change in a couple of days, my brother. Yeah, thanks to him, do all our course members. You're gonna get a referral code. It'll be lit. It's gonna be lit. Okay, so guys, we got 10 minutes here for GJ, right? 10 minutes here for a nice sell on GJ. Come down to the support. Weekly close bearish. Daily also closed bearish, right? So we could potentially come down here. This could be a nice potential 17 pip move, 18 pip move. So be prepared to eat on a Monday. How many pips did we catch last week on GJ? Let's see. Did we take any trades on Friday? Friday stream.
There's a DJ so
You just sell how many pips did you catch Friday? Oh, 12 pips at the break even. Well, you've been waiting for it to make a wick or straight into it if it closes strong bearish. I'm waiting for this candle to pop up to close bearish in general. I want it to pop up obviously so we have a better entry with a smaller stop loss, but let's see what happens here. Personally, I want to close like maybe like, if not here, I don't want to close kind of here. It's too low. Kind of like right here. 138, 317, 315 levels. Okay, if it can, and 138 like 320, you know. Let's see. We have 8 minutes left. Let's see if it closes it here though. You could be entering off in the 15-minute though, so your stops could be the 15-minute high, which is up here. Nice, like 6 pips. Cause like, I think let's look at GJ. Below, you have like if you do enter so, once the candle closes there, the only issue you gotta face is probably this key level here, this area specifically. So below this candle, I'm saying probably gonna pop waterfall down, coming down to the support. But it should be good to get an entry in. 30-minute closes, 1 hour closes back in the range here. See what's happening, guys. Yeah, clean. Worst case scenario, we pop too far down, can't get an entry, it's fine as well, but see. If you look at this, what was this? This is Friday, right? Yeah, it's Friday. Now this is Monday. If you look at this, what this is probably a double fake out here. We had a fake out down, go back up. And then this is a potential fake out up, go back down, right? So usually double fakies, what happens is it usually follows the second fake out trend. So it could follow the seller trend here to come down further. That's usually the case. I think we witnessed it live on a stream one time, and ever since then we've been watching like me and Robert been talking about it as well. Double fakies, they always continue the trend. Second time they come back in the range, so yeah, we could continue to sell off today. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour candle has no top wick too, so it goes no top wick, meaning that there's no range for this candle to go up. That's why this candle drive back down, right? So now if you look at this 4-hour time frame, you can see that this is a gulag move. aka just a fake out, because if we're coming back in the range now, all we need to do is close bearish back in the range here for the forward candle. But other than that, if we break the support here, we have clean traffic today coming down to the support. So 137, 100, or 137 could be an easy target today. Easy target. As long as we break these 4 levels here, it should be good. What I'm thinking is, in usually cases, we're probably gonna pop down to the support within like the next couple hours, 2 hours here. But then after the stream, we're probably gonna pop down further here, because what's gonna happen is we're gonna pop down in range a little bit, and then probably around 9, 10, 11 ish, pop down further here to the support. Once it breaks, let's see. It can pop down for before. We gotta be patient here. Dun, 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 dun. Oh wait, no, Jimmy, I did. I lied. On Friday? Oh, no, yesterday. I got a comment on Friday's live stream. Someone commented,
Yeah.
"Your GG analysis sucks. You suck." That's what I got in a GG analysis.
Ass, dude.
We got 12 pips that day. They're like, "You suck. You don't know how to trade." Blah 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 blah.
Shit, man.
All I say is 6:30 a.m. Eastern, Monday to Friday. That's all I'ma say. Ooh, GG pushing back up here. Could potentially pop down here. 3 minutes left. Getting closer to that execution level. Are you using Trader's Domain? Yes, I am using Trader's Domain. I just switched from Vantage FX to Trader's Domain probably about 2 months now, I think. How long is it, Jimmy? 2 months?
I think it's been like 2, 3.
I think yeah, 2 months, 3 months. I think 2. It has been 3.
2.
Yeah, 2. June, July. Yeah, I switched during June, beginning of June. Are you Uncle Ted's student? No. A lot of people ask me this too. No, I never paid for Uncle Ted or anything. Or Raja's stuff before, but I do talk to them, but I never paid for their courses. I found out about them probably super late, probably by I think December, January. I found out about them. Well, super late. It wasn't, you know. No, I think I found out about them like February, March, not even. No, I lied. December or January, around that time.
Dang, man. All these months, man.
But the question is, when did you find out about Control FX? That's the real
Yeah.
question.
Like last year.
And how long you been on streams for? That's the real question. I know day
Wait,
one
how
people
did I
are
find you?
still on. What's up?
How did I find you? I forgot.
You told me you came
Oh
from
yeah, my old IML.
you came from IMO. Yeah.
Yeah. I know that shit. I'm like, yo, let me check this dude's shit out. Kind of like pretty legit. And like I remember, I forgot how it went. I think it was just like 1, 2 bad signals. People used to be like, "Oh man, what the fuck?" And like, you know, they start like saying negative shit. Then the next signal, like 50 pips, 60 pips. They be like, "Oh shit, bro, you're the fucking best, dude." They didn't even mean to say that. And like the stops, like
How would be?
like those losses wasn't even like that bad. Like 20 pips. Those off like a news move, but it was like a small loss. Then we made it back like a 70, 80 pip move the next one.
Yep. Are you in sells? No, I didn't enter a sell yet. I wanted this candle close a little higher up. You know, stops are quite big on this candle. Nice, like 20 pip stop. Oof. Your target's gonna be like, oof, 13 pips, right? So it's not a good trade. You could enter off the 15-minute or a 30-minute. The only issue you have is these areas. That's odd. That's the only issue you have here, this trader. So, see, I think if price does come down to this level, that's like, yeah, you can move stops entry at this level. Yeah, enter a sell here, guys. Right here, stops are gonna be the 15-minute high, 7 pips, and TP's gonna be about this target here. Probably when GJ comes down to the support here, 138, 220, I'm probably gonna move my stops entry, making a risk-free trade, because if you look left, there's a lot of traffic there. So that's probably where I'm gonna move my stops entry. Call it a good risk-free trade there. I didn't enter off the 1 hour time frame, right? Because the 1 hour time frame, stops are way too high. But like even if GJ, like, even if it comes down here, it shouldn't break the 15-minute highs anyways, right? Even if we did enter on 1 hour based off the 1 hour time frame and have stops above the 1 hour high, we would probably close half or close full at the 15-minute little highs anyways if it breaks this high. So might as well just enter here, put stops above there. Very clean trade. But yeah, we're pushing the support here. About 3 pips in profit. 2, barely 3 pips. Let's see. I think you can move your stops up to like the candle high, the current candle high. You're risking like 1 pip now, right? Because like I said, on this trade, I'm probably gonna be a bit more aggressive off my stops because you have this key support here. So yeah, my stops are gonna be the current high right now. So you're risking like 1 pip right now on this trade. Current candle, because if this is the high for a new hourly candle, price shouldn't come back down, right? So we're about to break the 1 hour low as well. So let's hope we survive this. Survive this and push down here. But if we don't, then I'm probably gonna look for trades as the next 15 closes bearish or next 30-minute closes bearish here. But yeah, I think we're gonna close out entry here. Yeah, probably gonna close out entry here, guys. Hit my entry. So yeah, there's that trade. Quick trade didn't do as planned. Well, it did do as planned actually. It came down to support. I said I was gonna move stops entry on that candle. It did come down to that level. It didn't break the lows though of the hourly yet, but I think what you can wait for now is the next 15-minute candle to close. So the first 15-minute candle of the new hourly candle, you can wait for that to close. Look for potential sellers come down to the support. Yeah, but like I'll say that as long as GJ respects like this high, technically the 1 hour high, we should be able to push down here. Technically, right? So just I don't want stops are this big. You know, my old broker, I think I would have survived that that pullback there. My old broker, GG spreads were like 0.08 pips. I think Sam, you would have survived that. I gotta stop the entry here.
Yeah, I'm still in it.
Stops are
I
like,
just moved it to the current candle high. I didn't do it.
that's what I did too, but mine hit entry.
Oh really?
Yeah,
True.
because my spreads right now on GJ is like, oh, 0.6 pips. I lied. Never mind. Well, they were like 1 for a second. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So we'll break the lows here. So if you guys survive that, if you had nice spreads, you survive that high, you should be able to push down here on GJ. Clean move. Because the support is very minor, guys. Remember that. 30-minute doesn't look as bad, but the 15-minute does look pretty strong. But this is a 15-minute, right? 1 hour is still clean to come down. 4 hours still clean to go down. So should be clean if you're still in it. Smooth stops to entry. Should be good. Get ready for a waterfall, guys, on GJ. Where's my waterfall? There it is. What happened to GJ here? Down Savage. IFTI, what up, bro? Guys, we have one of the winners on the streams here. Bro, are you using what's your opinion on Magic Keys? Are you using that for better risk management? Honestly, I'm being honest with you. It's a cool tool to close out trades. It's just fast to close out trades. In regards to risk management, I honestly feel like it has nothing to do with risk management. Like, sure, it'll help you it'll help you stick to your 3% risk, whatever it is. But I feel like you can just do it by yourself, to be honest. Calculate it by yourself, right? The only thing it does, I can say, is it really helps you close trades out early instead of like close MT4, click on execution, close here, you know, or close half. You can just easily press one button and close half or close full. But other than that, that's all I use it for. I don't even use it anymore, to be honest. It's just like sitting around on the corner of my desk, but you know, no free pommel. Why is your stop loss so close to entry? I put my stop loss to the current candle high here because
I got stopped at entry.
yeah, we gotta stop the entry anyways in this trade anyways, right? Because if think about it, if GJ does come down, we broke the lows anyways, and like it shouldn't break this high if it does come back down. Because if it does break this high, there's a high chance of me popping back up to here, making a resistance, and popping back down later on. So we gotta see what happens here. But I just didn't want any type of drawdown on this trade here. And I also did say how before I took the trade, I said how if GJ comes down to the support, right here looking left, the support level, I'm gonna move my stops to entry because this is a nice support level where price can easily reject off of to go back up. But if this breaks, we'll have a risk-free trade anyways. So we have like an advantage on this trade. So that's why I took this trade specifically, because we had that advantage here to come down to the support minimum, which we did. All right, we just didn't break that support level to go down further. So that's why my stops are small on that trade. It just depends on the scenario, right? Depends on the scenario. Yeah, use things to your advantage. Here, see how G is popping back up now? As it tapped that support level, that's the thing that I was talking about earlier, right? So on this trade right now, I wouldn't want to be in it. I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute close bearish or 30-minute close bearish here. So see, you gotta really stick to the plan here. See, I had a plan, execute the plan, exited the plan, you know, as a touch my entry. And I felt like I did a pretty good job here on this trade, managing my risk. Keep a reminder, guys, it's still Monday, so don't try to like rush anything. Understand you have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yo, Don, what's up, bro? Are you looking to buy once price closes below 138.32? No. The reason why is because the daily is still bearish, weekly closed bearish as well. So I'm kind of bearish today. You could look for buys maybe above
4 hours still bullish. Something.
yeah, above like here probably. You can look for buys. Me personally, I'm not looking for buys today. Probably look for sells only. Let's see though. Let's see what happens. I gotta be in the moment. I gotta see what happens at that time to see what happens. What the scenario is on the other time frames. Did the other guy take a sell? Oh, he did. He's in the sell. Yeah. I think as long as GJ respects this high, we should be able to push down here. This high right here, 15-minute high, right? I just wanted to move my stop to entry here because I'll do this 1,000 times if I've seen it. I'll move my stops 1,000 times to entry if I see this exact play here. 4 minutes closer to a 15-minute closer. If this kind of decides to flip back bearish, it could be the high for price to drive back down. So see. Cause like the only thing this is the only issue you have in this trade. If this is a clean traffic, if this is just one big candle like this, if this is just one big bullish candle like this, traffic, and we had like more levels right here, this could easily be a move down. But the only levels you have that have an issue here is this box. That's all you got. $70 viewers by 7 a.m. Can we hit 80 viewers by 8 a.m.? Let's see. Actually, you probably will, because a lot of people tend to come in at around 8, 9. Damn, Jimmy, you're a little quiet today. Oh, Stan, you fixed your mic. I just stuck that in.
Yeah, I found my adapter. It was just like in my pocket.
What a messy eater.
What?
You're a messy eater.
How's that, bro? I'm
What's
like
that?
going in and out of
What's
sleep right now, bro. Man, I ain't get no sleep this weekend, bro. I can't try to go home.
I was gonna post a meme.
Were you up for London, Jimmy?
Hell no, bro. I'm trying to catch up from sleep. I ain't sleeping like 2 days, bro.
Yeah, I work at 10. Yo,
Damn, man.
the worst feeling.
Yeah. So dead, bro.
Just turn those notifications on the Signal channel.
Because even if you don't follow the signals, Jimmy, you can easily just tell when a move's about to happen. You can pop the move.
Signal. I don't do no signal. I am the signal.
No, but like if you're sleeping, you can just you obviously have probably same ideas. Probably look nice, see nice cells below a certain level, and so GJ comes down a certain level. Get a notification. Oh shit! Count like a.
This candle. Some close bullets, right? Hear me out. Then the next candle. Then make a little top wick and then drop to the like 138, 150. Tell it, man.
Just got off those broadcasts. Pivots on the live stream channel, bro. I mean, Zoom call, Brody. Yeah, fits in about close bullish here, so I think sells below this 15-minute candle should be good. That's might be a bit big though.
As long as this candle doesn't break, then yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna keep selling. It's either it breaks it or get close to it, then I'll look for more
like,
buys.
Technically, like, it's tapping this resistance level right now, so it's technically rejecting this resistance level. So if it breaks this 15 high, it can probably pop up further. This, as long as it respects, yeah, this should be good to come down here.
5 minute. It looks like it's still from the drop. Oh, never mind. Wick filled on the fire. Yeah. One confirmation.
Just know that if you put your stops at the 1 hour high, so the 15-minute high, like technically your safer stop would be the 1 hour high. Like although it's a lot more stops a bit bigger, it's still like a safer stop, right? I'm talking in general. Than the 15-minute, because like price can easily break the 15-minute, 30-minute, but it might not break the 1 hour high. That happened many times. So because the higher time takes over. So like technically on those type of trades, you actually have a better chance of the trade playing out. We put the 1 hour high and just watching it, letting it play out in the 15-minute. Just that if you're trying to really, I think the 15-minute, I think I said it before, if price breaks structure on a new, like for example, let's say this is a new 1 hour candle here. Let's say this is a new 1 hour candle, this 15-minute candle, and the price is breaking highs. It usually means that we could potentially be popping back the other way for breaking highs, right? But if it's like an old, like let's say it's a 30-minute candle, it's like the 30-minute mark or the 45-minute mark, and it breaks the highs. That could be, that's fine. But if it's a new candle that's just currently breaking a new high off the rip, usually a sign that that candle could just potentially break the 1 hour high as well. That's kind of confusing, but you guys could get what I mean there. If you got that one go, then good job. Might be a bit advanced though.
Well, going back close, I guess.
Great exit in this entry, bro. Yep, bro.
She was pretty nice.
I think I managed to
So,
trade
I was
pretty
looking to
well.
take a buy on the.
I got in at 138.266.
You gonna buy?
Yeah.
Wait, you just got out of sell?
No. Oh,
I was looking to get it
Oh.
like once 15 goes bullish, but it closed like hella weird and it didn't even make a bottom wick. So
Yeah.
let's see. If it breaks the 30-minute high though, we should.
I think,
it.
yeah, like my opinion, it's just like as long as it respects the 1 hour high, it should come down. Like that's what I'm seeing. But yeah, if it breaks the 15-minute high, I have a chance of going back up to this. Looking down sides.
And like if you look at the 4 hour, like
Yeah,
as long
4
as it
hours
respects the
didn't
4
break
hour
the
low,
lows.
it should
Yeah.
continue up.
But daily is also still bearish. So, you know,
We'll see.
see.
Daily closed bearish, but it closed bearish like in the range. So
Yeah, you're right. That is right. It closed at the support level above it. Yo, upside down this waterfall. Oh shit, I forgot to take out the waterfall. That was from earlier.
Upside, huh? This is the water cannon,
This
bro.
is a rocket ship. Let me find one. Let me download the little thing. Oh no, I did find one. Where's my rocket ship? No homo.
Homo. Look at that.
PNG. Pause.
Yo. Pause.
Is this PNG file? Oh, I'm gonna do something funny, guys. You guys aren't ready for this at all. Oh my god. Give me like, I'm gonna edit a nice photo real quick. Give me like 1 minute or two here. You guys gonna be laughing here. Alright, hold on. I got this. Oh, what? Great. Okay. Create new rocket ship. Insert image. Where's my shit?
I caught like a cheeky sell when the 1 minute closed bearish, just because I had the 15-minute close.
Oh, you? Yeah.
Let's see though.
I think if GJ like, if it closes like if 3rd minute here closes above this resistance here, should be good. 9 minutes here, go up. But yeah, if it closes below, see, like technically, you know, if, as long as it respects this high, it should be good technically. But
Oh, stop the shit.
how many trees took already?
This was second trade.
Oh. Oh no, it was Jimmy took the other trade. Yeah. Downloads. Where's my thing? Oh, there it is. Here it is. Edit this quick photo. Real quick. Gonna post it on the OBS stream. Copy. Paste. Where's my magic tool? That is. Where? Uh, go with. Hold on. Oh damn. Did you guys doing this trade here? Yeah, I'll do this later, bro. I don't know how to do this. Oh, save closes. I was gonna make a nice, funny rocket ship with my face on it. But I'm struggling right now, so I think I'm gonna do this later. Let's see. Still hasn't done much. We're closing 5 minutes here, guys. So, if you guys in GJ, like, be patient here. You know, we're still like we're kind of like making a range here, like a mini range here. We have like kind of like this support looking left there, right? And then you can have this resistance here as well. So it's kind of like a mini range. I'll say if this breaks will pop up, if this breaks will pop down. That's what's happening right now in GJ. we'll wait this 1 hour close to have better entries, buys here. Like I said, I'm not really gonna look for buys just yet. It'll have to be like I have to wait for the moment. Like if GG breaks a certain high in a 1 hour time frame, I gotta see where everything else aligns with, like the 15-minute, 30-minute. See how my entries be. But as of right now, I'm not gonna look for buys. So when the time comes, I'll look at potential buys. But as of right now, still bearish here. My focus is on sells, right? If you guys enjoyed the stream so far, leave a like. Leave a like for the way we managed that first trade here. You leave a like for the way we managed to avoid a stop loss. You know, I think it was clean on this trade. Because we would have hit our stop loss if you didn't manage to trade the way we did. So. If a 30-minute flips back bearish, high chance we could potentially continue back down here. So I could attempt another entry as it flips back bearish. Because what this kind of could have done was make a liquidity wick for price to drive back down. Right? So let's see. Because this is a big candle right here. Important candle, not a big candle. A very important candle.
I had a nice entry, but I got stopped an entry.
What time frame was it again?
1 minute, bruh. Never broke that high.
Yep.
I just like an anticipation move though. It's just like move your stops as to break even as soon as possible. And just see.
Trades taken. What time did we take the trade at? Do you guys know? It was at 7 a.m. 7 a.m.? Yeah, 7 a.m. Where's break even? Yo, they updated train view in the phone. You guys see that? Train view in the phone is different now. It's so complicated now.
Why would I even do?
Sam, what up, man? What kind of mic are you using? It's crisp. It's crisp?
Yeah.
Sam's mic is not crisp.
My mic's crisp as shit.
Sam's mic is not crisp, Ifty. Hell no, man.
Finally someone sees.
Oh man, God. Chat. If Sam's mic is not crisp. Okay, chat. Out of all of us, who had the cleanest mic?
You hear the people.
No, I definitely say Sam's mic's clean, man. It sounds real good.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, I say it's Sam, and then you, Don, and then Jimmy comes in third with the muffled one.
You say mine's below Sam?
Yo, Don.
Yo, no way.
Bro.
Jimmy's the muffled one? You're Jimmy. How you feel about that?
I was just hating this whole time.
Mic is so crisp. No shot. Sam's mic is picks up everything, bro. Like when he farts, like, you can hear it as well. Like on the stream, you can hear everything he does. Hey yo, Ifty, you finished your course yet, bro?
Yeah, I finished the easy one over the weekend.
Oh, the psychology part of it.
Yeah, your examples were jokes, man. I loved it. It was pretty good.
Oh, where's that picture? I'm gonna pull it up.
Yeah, it was real funny, but I got a kid, right? So it's a little hard to.
Yeah. Take your time with it, bro.
But
It's there forever for you.
but so far the content's real easy to absorb. It's real good.
Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Where's that
No,
photo?
man.
Where's that photo you
Appreciate
sent?
you, man. Excited to be a part of the team. Yo, when you drew my name, I was jumping hard, man.
What was your
So
reaction on Friday?
yo, man, I was so happy. My son got out. He was scared. He thought something happened. He's only 2, right? So when you see me jumping up and down, he's like, "We what's this guy doing?"
You're scared.
Yeah.
Damn. Happy you won, bro. Happy for you.
Yeah, man. Thank you. Appreciate it so much.
I'm gonna pull that photo up on the stream. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, I don't have it. I need to take a screenshot. Funny though. What's happening here? Let's see. Message. Oh. Okay, so 30-minute just closed. 30-minute closed bullish here, guys. As you can see, this 30-minute closed very strong bullish above this resistance level, above these wicks here. It closed at these wicks. See how these wicks were rejecting off of it? This candle rejected off of it, closed below. This candle actually closed above it within a wick. So meaning that this candle has a high chance of popping up here to potentially this target. And then so forth to retest the highs maybe. So yeah. I'm not gonna look for buys just yet. I'm still gonna wait here. Right? So just be patient here. But yeah, it looks clean to go up here. Very clean. So you guys can see, we took the sells, we saw sells, we took it, we put stops to entry rate off the rip. A lot of you guys were confused as to why I did it. Now you guys see why I did it, right? Now you guys see exactly why we avoid that trade here, that loss. Because this would have been a nice, juicy 11 pip loss here on today's stream. But instead it was a nice, juicy break-even trade. So, yeah. So yeah, if you guys didn't get in sells, if you guys on buys here, then nothing wrong with getting buys here. It's just I'm not comfortable taking buys just yet here, right? Maybe if the 1 hour close is bullish, I can look for potential buys. Maybe. We haven't broken the 1 hour high yet. I'm gonna wait for a 30-minute closer at 8 a.m. Let's see. Yeah, draw thinner lines now. Oh, you can change the font now. That's sick. Finally, TradingView updated their Zoom, so Zoom updated their stuff, so now I can change the font size on certain things like this. Go like this. That's cool. This looks like clean buys. Very clean. If the trend is bullish today, I would take buys 100% on this candle.
Buy.
You want to buy? What happened to Don? If you take 3 trades, I'll take 3 trades. I took one.
I took 2 break-even trades, but
I need to see that too.
Yeah, no, it's kind of dangerous for sure.
What, taking 3 trades?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I want to get into like a cycle of taking a bunch of trades, Yeah.
If you guys didn't buy, just careful of this minor resistance level. That's all you gotta worry about. this resistance level, but it should be easily be broken. Once the candle breaks the highs here, it should be good to go up to this target. Like I said, I'm not looking for buys just yet. I'm gonna be patient. So if you guys want to wait with me, you guys could. If you guys want to take it, then go ahead. You can do whatever you guys want, you know. The trade in the streams is just my trades that I personally take throughout the day. So feel free to do whatever extra stuff you guys want. You guys don't gotta copy me or follow up with trades.
Dang. Took a whole 30 minutes sleep. Ain't no movement.
Oh, we had movements here. Nice bullish move.
Going back to sleep.
Stream view on a phone is horrible now. Yeah. I'm not used to it. Yeah, it's at the bottom of the screen now. It's not at the top anymore. Change time frames, the tools, it's all at the bottom. Oh, we're breaking the highs here, guys. I'm expecting a rocket ship here on GJ to potentially these targets here. 138, 500 should be your target. If you guys look at it, the reason why I moved my stop center earlier was because we tapped the support level here, right? So obviously we knew that if this candle made a low and now it's flipping back bullish, it has a high chance of closing bullish at support, right? So and on any other day, any other bullish day, what would you do in this scenario? If this first candle here closes bullish at support, what would you do? You'd probably pop a buy here on this next candle here. So that's why I say all the time, you really have to manage your trades, and you gotta look at your trade from the other perspective. Like, if a candle closes bullish and you're gonna sell, what would you do? Would you buy here? If you're buy, then get out to sell, you know. But don't get out to sell and buy. You know, just get out to sell, right? And that's how you manage trades to the T. Just look at it from the opposite direction, from the other side, the other point of view. But these are nice candles here, closing bullish, you know, and then respecting the support to go further up here. This candle closed bullish as well.
Yeah, I'm kind of scared this
Nice wick fill.
resistance level right here.
Yeah, that's the only issue you have here. But it's a very minor one. 15-minute. Should be good to go. A lot of old VIP members are also just talking in the VIP chat now. Like last summer, I think. Hearing about the streams, I see. You guys want a face cam?
No.
Alright, bet.
Just playing. I got a headline.
Nobody wants to see your ugly ass face.
Oh, okay. I see.
Ugly ass.
Boogly boogly, look at that.
Alright, guys, good stream today.
Ugly boogly. Look at that.
Boogly
83
boogly.
viewers before 8 a.m. Let's get it, man.
Yo, Buckle Kaneko Chuffle ass.
Oh, okay. Alright.
This way.
Alright, yo.
Y'all heard about Chicago, bro?
Hey, JB, pop fat lots on oil right now, okay? Feel nice
Now what happened in Chicago?
up in Chi-Town.
They looting again because the police shot on a kid.
Damn.
Oh my god, bro.
Shit crazy. That's none of my business. None of my business.
20 people dying in Chicago, bro.
Bruh. Yeah, the police shot.
FBG Duck just got shot.
FPG. Yeah, I heard about him. I mean, what you expect, bro? You make a diss track about someone
Bro,
homies.
you were
Hella homies.
Bro, all of his tracks
Yeah,
are
what
just
you
like diss
expect?
tracks.
Like, bruh, like, I don't get with people, bruh.
And if,
And
yeah, if you stay in the
music.
city,
like,
bro.
people that make music about distant, like people's dead friends and shit like that, and then they not really suffer the consequences.
It is what it is, man. I found my rocket ship, guys. I'm about to make the most fire photo ever. You guys ready?
Yeah, bro. I don't know. Music industry weird.
Oh, not a cool a lot. I'm gonna cut this. Jimbo,
What's up?
you getting in trouble?
Nah, my dog just snuck in my room,
Oh,
but I'm almost like telling him downstairs, so I'm like, nah, I'm gonna let him rock in my room.
you sound like you're half asleep, bro.
I told you, bro. I ain't been sleeping damn near like 2, 3 days. Bro. Weekend warrior looking at
Keyboard warrior.
weekend warrior.
You remember back then when we had a keyboard warrior in the chat?
Who was that keyboard warrior? I forgot his name.
The VIP.
Man.
Um.
Just hella.
All right, I got a photo, guys. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna upload it to the thing right now. Save. Let's go see through your computer. Let's go. Rocket ship.
Yo, I read something on some like FX like site, and it said there's like for some reason there's like a lack of like Japanese retail traders or something like that, or Japanese trading or something like that. That's why
Them
the
boys
Asian
going
session's been
broke.
lacking. Yeah, something like that. Like
These
Japan's
boys going
economy is
broke.
apparently like doing ass. So.
Yeah.
What you expect, bro?
But I think GG overall is pretty, and I think England like handled like this whole shit pretty decent. So I got soft entry on this one.
Yep. Guys, I got the rocket ship. You guys ready? Where is it? Save it? No. I didn't save it. Hold on. What course? What course? There's only one course here, guys. It's on controlfx.com. This is the only course we have.
Wait a minute.
Jimmy, you still in the bus?
Yeah.
Should be
Yeah.
good.
Well, no, this is one of my. This fight, I don't know, play. It's one. This dude, of course, that'll take place.
Alright, guys, I got the photo. Get it. No, it's not a JPEG, RIP. I mean, it's not PNG. What if I just add a different
If I
one?
ask what PNG means, I'll do it myself. Hold on, let's look it up, Jimmy. What is a PNG?
You know what PNG is?
Oh no.
What is it?
Portable network graphics.
So pretty much when something's transparent, yeah. Like a photo is transparent, and like you see how photos have like those square boxes at the back of them sometimes.
Yeah, gray and black boxes.
Yeah, gray and white boxes. It just means that like
Yeah,
those are clear. You can only see the photo.
gotcha.
I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, here it
I
goes.
know.
Now it's PNG. Look at this, guys. This is my rocket ship on GJ. I mean, my rocket ship here. How's the YouTube style look? Hold on, let me check. Who's that inside the rocket? That is Jimmy? That's me, bro.
Inside the rocket. What do you mean?
Do you have a giveaway today? Bruh. We have that probably
I'm
once a
good.
month.
Go to sleep.
Once every 2 months.
Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep.
You going back to sleep?
No, I'm talking about the dude that says they give away today. Go back to sleep, bro. I'll catch you in the mouth.
Yeah, in this rocket ship, guys, it's me. I'll show you guys. It's my Telegram DP folder. I should put the Michael Jordan crying face in it, but
I got a lie, boy. I'm finna get on your big lie.
yo, this is me. This is me.
Hey, man,
Where
that's
have
shit now, bro.
Huh? What?
That's a new thing now, bro. Before a paraffin to fly, he dropped that thing.
In traffic up to this target here, looking left. Bro, 5-minute can closes bearish. That may be a downfall. 5-minute, you know,
What?
the 15-minute is stronger than the 5-minute, so think about it. Maybe the 5-minute came down bearish because the 15-minute had a nice wick fill. Right? 15 is gonna take over, obviously. So technically, as long as the 15 respects the low, it should be able to push up. But then now if you go on a 30-minute time frame, that should respect the low as well down here. Right? So the higher time frame, the higher confirmation. But obviously, sometimes the small time frame leads you up to the higher time frame. So yeah, 5-minute did close bearish, but 5 minutes breaking the highs there. 5-minute, 15-minute had a nice wick fill. So 30-minute, 30-minute close there, bullish, nice. 12 minutes left there. If you learn quick, more people come to the stream. Think.
What?
Right? I'm confused,
How
bro.
faster can Don talk, bro? Like, what?
Who asked that?
What you just said? He was like, if you talk faster. Like, what?
If you learn quick, more people will come to the stream. Alright guys, right here, I'm looking for buys here, looking for buys here above here. If you look for buys above here, we can continue to this target here. We can try to move here, rocket ship move.
You want
1,500 now, going to go 1, 2, 1, 5, 2, 1, 2 times, 1, 5.
you know,
Spitted.
this target right here, 139 later on this week. Y'all want that, right? Or do y'all want this? Like,
When you look at different monitors at once.
Okay, the MCAT is clearly showing that we are about to get some bias momentum. Looking at
The VVAM, you mean? The VVMAM?
Oh, the VPN.
VPN one. 44666. What's the indicator you use again? The VPN?
Yeah, the VCAP.
VPN. This guy has extra chromosomes. Damn, that's rough. Damn, auction by sells. Damn, you said I had extra chromosomes? That's a little offensive to me, man. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that one.
Cool. We could join, bro. 7:49 in the morning. I don't care. We could join, bro. Who got extra chromosomes? I'll join the hell out your egg lad.
It's too early for this, bro. Oh, I think the second giveaway winner's in the call. Adika, what up, bros?
What's good?
What's good, bro?
How you doing?
How's that course treating you?
What's up, bro?
It's lovely. I got through the easy part this weekend, but I had work, so I couldn't.
Oh yeah, same with the other one too. The other winner. Both winners got to the first part only.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Yo,
Yeah,
so
man.
what was your reaction when you won?
Honestly, I was laying down on the pillow and then I see my name. You know, I shot up real quick and I was like, "What? Did that just happen? Like, did I just win?"
Yeah.
It was I don't know. I was shocked. I was shocked for real.
I was like, yeah, I never win shit as well. So it's pretty
Yeah,
crazy.
I was like, I wasn't even about to enter, but I was like, you know what? Might as well, especially because you extended it. And when I won, I was like, whoa.
Wait, so
That
you
just
you
happened?
got in the giveaway the morning of?
Yeah.
Bruh.
Yeah.
It's like a last minute. This guy made
Dang,
$400 in
this
like an
man-
hour, pretty much.
I'm dead.
This man got a 400% account green in an hour. 400 profit. Dang, bro. Watching GJ on that 5-minute flip was hilarious, bro.
What's up?
It dropped like hella. It shot back up.
Yo, you sound like you're fucking off something, bro. You good?
Hell no, bro. I'm sober, bro. For sure. This weekend I wasn't, but today I am. I'm chill on it though.
You better put all these viewers to sleep here.
Alright. Going back on mute, boys.
Oh, I'm playing, man.
Good lie.
You still on buys?
This Ali closes bullish here, then it should continue up.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
I'm expecting a rocket ship here on GJ.
Respected that big bullish
50
candle
minute
move
low.
from London. Oh boy. This just been a shoot.
Yep.
Not London, I meant pre-London. 'Cause
This is my
London
target,
was,
guys.
when that happened, like, damn. Hello.
This could have been I think we caught it from these targets here. This candle closing. Also been below there. TP would have been near 15 pip move, 16 pip move potentially. Like I said, I didn't get in, but the trail's broken down and everything here on GJ. So if you guys took this trade, if you
we're
guys
gonna
took
break the
buys
high.
here, congratulations.
Time to fly.
Smooth stops to entry and let it run risk free. Because like if GJ wanted to go down, it would have came down the first when we got in. That's where it would have came down because it made it high, then it came right down. It broke the lows. That would have that would have been an area where it came down completely. But if it rejected off that level and closed bullish now, there's no shot it was gonna it'll be a little more difficult for it to come back down here. So next 15-minute candle came up. Next 15-minute candle came bullish. The next 15-minute candle came bullish as well. And now we're just continuing up here to the next target. But this would have been this area right here that we got in was the last area where price actually came down at. So because this is a new hourly candle, right? So if price wanted to drive down, it would have done it right here. But now as we're heading towards NY session opening, we're pushing up. NY's gonna just push it up further, even further up here. So just be aware of this. Are you gonna sell when it hits target? No. Then at that point there's no sells. This price is just tap on resistance level, but it doesn't mean it's gonna reject off it to come down. My targets are placed at the next potential targets logical levels, right? But it doesn't mean if price is gonna tap that resistance is gonna come down. My target is placed here because you have range here. You have struggle here. You have, you have struggle here. So I'm not gonna place a sell at a place where price could struggle at, expecting to come down, because it can easily just continue to push back up or up because it is bullish right now as we speak, this whole trend here. So yeah, like my TPs doesn't mean it's gonna be an area where price will reject off of completely. Like for example, there was a time when we called gold buys from 1811 to like 1850 and then so forth, people kept saying, okay, so 1850 is gonna sell now, guys. I'm like, no, it's still bullish. That's just the next logical area, right? Because I don't put my TPs at like some magical fairy tale level, all right? I put it at logical areas. So if mean that if price gets to that level, it might range for a bit, and if it breaks that, it'll continue further up, right? That's where I put my TP levels. But I'm not gonna put my TP up here if there's a resistance here. You know what I mean? There's still this level of rejection at this level. So yeah. Let's just close back since range buy, mirror that big volcano. If 3 minute close like this, bullish is valid buy. I think yeah, valid buys were at the opening of this candle as well. This kind of opening. You would have been I think 8 pips in profit at one point. Lost below here, TP would have been up here. That was a nice buy. The only thing you gotta worry about was this resistance level. But I did mention you guys could buy here. I didn't want to take it. I did mention it earlier. If you guys go back.
Go.
What's up, bro?
Goodbye. Get out. Goodbye.
What's up? What happened?
Riddance. Oh, I'm talking to my dog right now.
Oh, you have a dog?
Yeah.
Oh, wasn't it? I thought it was
Get
I
outta
thought
here,
it was your
dude.
sister's dog.
No. I got another one.
Same one? Same type?
It's a Maltese. It's a Maltese. The white one.
Is it a bulldog?
No, it's a Maltese.
I don't know my dogs, bro. What is that? Google? Google.
Google.
Oh, you have that dog?
Google.
Oh, you have this dog. Cute dog. Is it a baby?
That's a grown man now. It's fine.
That's the max size
Cool.
it grows, right? The average size, it's like that. Like
He's
small,
He's
but
not like he's not small, but
yeah.
he's like average size, I guess. Well, he old though.
Do you use MT4 and MT5 on Mac? I just switched from my MacBook to my controller effect to my PC here. I am using MT5, but when I was on MacBook, I used MT5 as well. On Mac, I can use parallels on Mac, so I can use on Windows and Mac OS at the same time. Back when I used a Mac, but now I use a PC, so I'm in the big league now, right? So I got to worry about viruses now. I got to worry about all these things now on my PC. If you guys took some buys here, if you guys got in, if you guys made money today, if you guys were able to learn about risk management, I mean not risk management, trade management today, if you guys were able to understand how I closed my trade earlier to avoid my stop loss, if you guys were able to understand how I broke down that trade, if you guys enjoyed the streams, leave a like, subscribe. Let's hit 2K subscribers. This channel is growing, guys. I made $8 on YouTube. $8 on YouTube. Let's get it. That's what? 80 pips on a 0.01 lot? Let's get it. And I was off of like 2 videos too. Because one got copyrighted on Friday. Yeah, guys. So what ad does it play on YouTube? Does it play Forex ads on YouTube?
No, I haven't seen any Forex ads. It's just some other ads.
Oh, okay. Not bad. What do you expect after 8 a.m. open? So the 8 a.m. means that a new session will be open. At that point, I'm probably gonna continue up here because the 1 hour is gonna close bullish back into Ranger. So you could expect potentially like a move up to this target, this high here. Because the New York, if pre-New York is pushing up, New York usually follows it. Because like pre-New York is like, it's like for example, let's say you have a cage. Let's say you have a cage like this. This is your cage. And you have like a gorilla in there, right? Let's say you have like this guy in here. This is your gorilla. Alright? This is your gorilla. This is your guy. And let's say he's stuck in this cage. And he knows that he's about to get released at 8 a.m. This is 8 a.m. right here. He's about to get released at 8 a.m. So, Harambe, yeah, this is Harambe. So, he's pretty reckless right now. He's screaming, you know. He's fired up because he knows he's about to get released. So, when the time gets closer, he's gonna be more fired up. For example, let's say, you know, Bobby Schmurder got released from jail. He's probably fired up right now, right? And he knows he's gonna get released on a certain day. So when he gets released, or for example, 6ix9ine, right? 6ix9ine. This guy knew he was gonna get released, right? He was so excited to get released. And as the day came, as he got released, what happened the next day? This guy dropped the whole music video the next day. So just imagine, 8 a.m. is that music video. That music video is gonna drop at 8 a.m. and we're gonna potentially push up here to continue the trend here. You know, that's all that is. Cause for example, this is 6ix9ine's career right here. This is his career. He was up. He was bullish, right? He was bullish, right? This is his career. He was bullish. And then what happened when he went to jail? His career came back down for a little bit. But and when he got released, this is the count that he got released on. So now he should be going back up to retest his highs again. If anything, continue up further. So that's like my GJ analysis compared to 6ix9ine there. Just enjoyed that. Good analysis. Yeah.
Telling you, bro, you and Roger are 6ix9ine's biggest fans in the whole world.
Hell no. Gooba. What's his last song? Oh yeah, Punani. This was a good example, no cap. Yeah, it was a good example. Did you think bye, Sam?
God.
What's up?
No, not yet.
The
I'm thinking
Nazi
about
God,
it.
Donvo.
I might take
You're
buys
not
if
gonna-
this
you're
candle
not gonna
flips.
take buys here?
I might here
I was looking at it if it flips.
on a 15-minute. Yeah, if it flips here. Testosterone will be like
Oh hell no.
4 pips. What's up?
Just seen some funny news. Yeah, stimulus gets extended. So yeah, US states and bullish. US 30, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
certainly bullish this week. Yeah, I'm reading. Yeah.
Looks like we didn't break the highs here. We didn't flip bullish here, and we're now breaking the lows here. Oh wait, let's see. We're about to. I thought we were breaking the lows. Let's see. We haven't broken the lows yet. Let's see. We're like literally half a pip away from breaking the lows. If it breaks the lows, what does that mean? That means that we could potentially just maybe continue down here. 30-minute lows, but let's see. We haven't broken the lows yet. We came really close to breaking the lows. Very close. Probably like how many pips is this? Probably like 0.01 pip breaking the lows. Let's see if this candle flips bullish here. I'm looking for buys. Because this can actually close above these levels here, right? This can close above that level, and this can has a nice wick fill, so this could be the case here to go up to this target. But still on Monday, right? So take it easy, guys. Don't try to force any setups today. Ooh, flip bullish here, guys. Looks like we reject out the support level, and we should continue up here if you flip bullish here. Yeah, and this trade stops are nice though. Stops are only 4 pips. Very clean trade. Let's see. Still hasn't flipped, guys. Still hasn't flipped.
It did flip for like a second.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
On
MT4 maybe? Yeah.
Made a top wick.
Yeah.
I'm not in it though. I'm probably just gonna wait for the first. I'm gonna wait for the first.
Or trade of the day for you?
Yeah, fourth trade. Yeah.
Oh, got it in, guys. Flip bullish. Stops are this low here. Target's gonna be this high. Stops are 4.7 pips. Actually, stops are 4.7 pips, and TPs are like a nice 11 pips here. So this is my trade, my second trade of the day, guys. So yeah. Let's see how everything goes there. Ooh, nice push up. If GJ breaks this low, we're gonna probably push down here. So that's why my stops here at this current candle low. This is also a new hourly low, right? So probably shouldn't break this low if it wants to drive up anyways. So that's why my stops there. My TPs here is because if you look left, you have this area where you have like resistance at. So this is an area where I'm probably gonna exit the trade at. And yeah. And that you have this whole move here that you could potentially get a nice mirror on. These bearish channels, you get a nice mirror on the bullish channels here. Taking left. Clean trade. Also the 1 hour close bullish, back in the range. Everything's clean here. 4 hour failed to break the lows. It's rejecting off that support. So this 4 hour could flip within the next 4 or 5 minutes here. So let's see. The New York just opened too, so I'm expecting a further push up to continue the pre-NY trend. But yeah.
It was a JPY bank holiday as well.
When?
I don't know if it's still on, but
Nah.
it's Sunday.
Sunday? Yesterday?
Yeah, it said it was Sunday, so I'm thinking it might open back up at 5 today, or I mean 8 today.
Oh, was Asian ranges yesterday? I didn't even check. How was the
I think
Asian?
Asian was yeah, pretty rangy.
Asian.
Let's see. Yeah.
It's Asian, right here. Yeah. Yeah, pretty nothing great. I mean, could got buys, but I wouldn't hit entry. I did take buys here. Yeah. Nothing happened to Asian, I say. See, gold pushing up, as expected. US30, not doing much. GJ.
Gold's in a nasty little range.
GJ looks like, oh, it didn't break the lows here. Very close. GJ looks like it's about to hit stops, but what it didn't. Let's see. Okay, very close. Stops in the trade was a blessing, actually. 4 pip stop on this type of trade. Clean. Small stops. And also, guys, small stops, guys. If you guys do this, don't do it. Small stops don't mean that you could up your lot size. Bigger small stops should be using the same lot size.
Yeah.
Or not bigger small stops, but just even if it's small, just don't think like you can over leverage on a trade because you're only gonna lose a small amount because you have smaller stops. You know.
Because the chance of it hitting your stop is higher.
Yeah.
So
Like,
like,
even if
balances out.
like this risk to reward is like what 1 to 3, 1 to 2, 1 to 3ish, right? Like people I know people that have like 1 to 100 stops, 1 to 100 risk to reward, and you have a fat lot size because you have a small stop, target's bigger, like you know what I mean? But it's just you have small stops mean like you have a high chance of hitting your stops, but if price were to break that stop, break that low, whatever it is, it'll probably continue down. But yeah, like it doesn't mean that you can up your lot size. It's a bad habit. Very bad. If this kind of was bullish here, I think we survived the little pullback. If it was bullish here.
Yeah, I don't know. I think there might be some.
Today? I mean, the yen's closed anyways right now. It's the pound that's moving it. So I think only manager in Asian session.
So London was hella clean. Or like
London? Yeah. This sell was very
later
clean.
Even
Because like
earlier in
the
London.
daily was already bearish, right? So I would like this would have been nice sells here. Like this would have been a nice 13 pip sell here. The caught during London. I'm not up at this time, bro. It's like 5 a.m. Oh, this is like this morning actually. Not that late. Yeah, late London.
Bro, London was clean all throughout. 2:30, clean ass 30-minute candle, pushed up, came down, clean 30-minute support. Damn, that's a clean 1 hour candle too. Damn, London was hella clean.
I think GJ might flip here. It came probably like a pip away from stops. Oh, close bearish. Oh, 30 minute. 30 minute. Okay, our stops technically 30 minute lows anyways, right? So should be fine.
Yeah, might as well just keep it. It's
Yeah.
like if it breaks 15-minute high, then you're good.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see if I get in here though. Huh. Okay. If we get in here, also like pips. Not bad. Oh, about to break the 50-minute highs, guys. This kind of close bearish here. So if this kind of breaks the high, you should get a nice rocket ship here on GJ. If you break this high here. Looks like we're about to break it. Close. Let's see. This is interesting here. Very interesting. Above here will be a clean traffic move up. Very clean. Because like once we had this nice wick fill here, this candle failed to fill it, right? This candle closed bearish. But then now if we break the bearish candle high, it just means that we're gonna break the structure to go up here on the 15-minute. For broker to use trader's domain, link in the bio. If this candle flips back bearish, I'm thinking I'm gonna exit below this because this candle made a liquidity wick and didn't break the highs. Yeah, I'm gonna exit here, guys, on the trade. I'm gonna exit on 2 pips because if this candle didn't break the highs here and it has no bond wick, it just means that this might be the higher wick for price to drive back down here to entry, to down here. So this kind of has no bond wick, right? So now it's making that bond wick. See how it's flipping back bearish now? This kind of has a high chance of maybe coming back down a little bit. It also this kind of closed bearish too. So I was expecting this kind of break the highs, but I failed to break the highs, right? So I exited the trader. Negative 2 pips on this trade. See this kind of flip bearish here. So high chance it might continue back down to this support here at 138. 322 here. Not bad at all. This share was taken at 8 AM. No, this share was taken at share was taken at around $2:09 AM. 8:09 AM actually. I said 2:09. Yeah, guys. You see how this kind of flipped bearish here? You see how this kind of flipped bearish now? And that was the liquidity wick up to go back down here. This is the exact move we just talked about. So that's why I closed out as it flipped bearish here. So you really gotta pay attention to detail, to count detail, and that's how I got out that trader risk. Only losing 2 pips. A lot of people would have still been in the trade, right? But if you just pay attention to counts every day, and you see the same thing every day, we would avoid all these little. What gave you the confidence to start trading on your own? Took time and practice, bro. Like everything in life, takes time and practice. Yeah, see, guys. So instead of losing on this trade 5 pips here, we only lost 2 pips because we were able to manage the trade to a T. So we just did the same thing we did the trade before this trade. We took a sell, break even. We avoided stop loss. This trade, we avoided stop loss as well. So that's back-to-back stop losses that we avoided. This would have been a negative, I think, like 11 pip day, or I think something like that. This would have been a nice 11 pip day here, but instead it was only a negative 2 pip so far. So we saved 9 pips today. So if you guys understood why I did what I did, why I got out where I did, understood the breakdown, then there you have it. That's why managing a trade is so important, because it saves you in the long run. And if you do this every day, what do you guys think's gonna happen? If you do this, say for example you have a small account right now, right? You have a small account right now, and you popped a certain amount of lot. In the future, when you pop a bigger lot, it wouldn't matter to you now because that account is very small. But in the future, when you have a bigger account, it's gonna matter to you, and these little things are gonna matter to you. So that's why 9 pips to 2 pips is a big difference, bro. Trust me, it's a big difference. Let's say I pop 8.0, instead of losing 800 bones, I mean probably around like 600-700, you would only lost like 150, or whatever it is. So it's a huge difference, man. Trust me. So you really gotta pay attention to details. Candles. Ooh. Taken. Oh no, those are buys. So right now, probably gonna wait. Probably I don't know. I don't know if I'm entering more trades. I gotta see, because it's 8:20 and I entered 2 trades for a day. I'm trying to stick to my rule of just 2 trades per day, cause I can usually go 3. But I'm just for the past couple months here, I'm really trying to push it to 2 trades only, max. No matter what the scenario is, break even, 2 pip loss, 1 pip loss, whatever it is, still gonna be 2 trades. So let's see. I might call out some trades on the streams, some buys if you do break this resistance here. But other than that, I might be done. Yeah. And we haven't broken the highs yet on a 15-minute. And 30-minute is still respecting the low here, so the 15 broke the lows though.
We broke the highs on MT5
30-minute?
on 15-minute.
15-minute? Did we? Let me check.
On my MT5 it did.
On your broker?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine did as well. Church the main broke the highs as well.
Never broke the lows yet. Or did it? Yeah, it did. Broke the highs and the lows.
Yep. I think I did a pretty good job that trade.
Rangy.
That's good ass discipline right there. Yeah, man. I be seeing this all the time, but then I get a screenshot from the VIP group and I see like 8-9 trades and they be like, I'm a hyper scalper. Like a lot of people just overtrade a lot. A lot of people overtrade, and I mean, even if you do make profit, I feel like it's still bad profits at the end of the day, man. It's not like I'm discrediting them. It's just I feel like overtrading in the long run would affect you a lot. It's not a good habit at all. No matter how good the profits will be or are, if you overtrade, it's not good profits at all. So until you learn how to limit your trades, 62 trades per day, so then you might be playing the same game over and over again with yourself. I went 330 and 40 last week. Yeah, how many trades you guys entered last week? Let me know, chat. I think I entered like let me count. I entered about what day was last week? Last week was Sunday, August 2nd to August 8th, so 2nd to August. That's about 9 trades last week. That's about 1 to 2 per day. That's like nearly 2 per day, pretty much. All the 5 days trading from August, pretty much the 2nd to the 7th. Had a decent week last week. A 9K week. Not so shabby. Not too shabby. What day is it? 10th. Today, I think I'm down 2 trades. I'll send a screenshot in the VIP group. Yeah, I'm down. Not bad. Good risk management. I'll show you guys in the VIP group. I'll send a screenshot over. Should I post on Instagram actually? Here. The T. You would have learned on the I went. How many of those 9 trades were taken on stream? Probably 9. All, probably 8 or 9 of them. Probably, if anything, just missing one of them. But all of them were taken on stream last week. In total, I think we caught around 80 pips on the streams, around there, throughout the whole week. And signals called combined, I think, on GG alone. So, because GG last week, how many pips did it move last week in general? Like, GG last week, I think it only moved like, actually moved a hell of a lot of pips actually. It moved like 150 pips. Actually, that's not much. That's not much at all. Yeah, GG last week didn't barely moved, right? And we were able to catch 80 pips out of like the whole 150 pips on GG. That's clean. That's clean. Only catching 10 pips per day. That's clean. Do you have red weeks? It's been a minute since I had red weeks. A while. I just sent my screenshot on Instagram. You guys can check it out. I posted it from oh, that's today actually. No, that's today. Last week I sent it already. If you make over 50 pips this week, I promise I'll buy your signals. You ain't gotta promise me anything, bro. It's all on the streams. You saying you watch ball?
Yeah.
You watch like consistently? Like you're a fan?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh. What was it? Pelicans got eliminated.
LeBron James. Yo,
What's wrong in Cleveland right now, bro? I mean, with the Lakers, my bad. With the Lakers,
I don't know, bro.
struggling. Michael Porter Jr.'s going ham.
That Michael Porter Jr. is sick.
You think he's better than Zion?
I don't know. I think Zion's probably better.
Zion just hasn't had like playtime and shit.
I don't know though. Yeah. Zion's just hella thick, chunky. I needs to lose some weight.
What a boring session today, guys.
Yeah, today was kind of shit.
Like we got on at 6:30, 6:30. It's moved like probably 20 pips since. But I'm very happy with my trades today. All my trades, I'm very happy. Because I was able to manage both trades to the T today, and not let them hit my stops. I'm pretty happy. That's what I worked on since like May, every day since working on my trade management. Sometimes you got.
I'm finna hop off, bro.
Hop off.
I'm finna take a nap.
Alright, bro. I'll catch you later.
Alright, easy, bro.
Oh, I'm still here, guys. Then we get off around 9-ish, 9:30-ish, 9-ish. Let's see.
Yeah, I was just about to ask you on low volume days what time you jump off, so that's cool.
Depends. I don't know. Sometimes you just get off at 9 every day, around 9-ish, 9:15. Like even if it's a low volume day, I'm still up to watch it, but it's gonna be boring. Like today's a very low volume day. Let's see them. I took 2 trades already, so like really, I don't got much to do anymore. I can just call it a day for you. You're doing fine, dude. I always do.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. It avoids getting into those trades anyways, but
Yeah.
Alright, Don, see you tomorrow, buddy.
Alright, bro. I'll catch you later.
Take it easy.
You think your service sell for a day? No. As long as user theory, I'll say probably respects this low here, you should be able to pop up for the rest of the day. I mentioned my targets being this for the week. My targets being, where's my target? Oh, I guess it's gone. Here, this is my target for the week. 28,269. That's my target for the week. So as long as price respects this low, we should be able to push up this week. So high. But as of right now, there's no buys just yet. I did mention buys for US theory above this resistance here, because we're making a support here at this low. So if this support breaks, we'll pop down. But if this support holds, we should be able to pop up. I continue the trend. As far as GG has barely been moving today. We attempt to sell, attempt to buys. Overall, not much happened. No volume kicking in today. Can't really do anything about that. But if you guys want to learn about low volume days and understand what ranges to trade, what ranges not to trade, what days to trade, what days not to trade, it's on the course here. That's all you get. What was I asking? Yeah, so right now pretty much is usually like I say we're making a pretty heavy resistance here on a 15-minute above here. I'll say like see how these candles are rejected here. Rejection. And you can see your average resistance is right here. Those are all wicks, right? So if this 15-minute candle here closes above or at these wicks here, we have a high chance of popping back up. So I'll say if you're looking for buys, wait for the 15-minute candle to close here. And you'll want to close above this range here, or above these wicks here. You can close at these wicks here. It doesn't have to close above it, but close at these wicks because it just means that we have enough strength now to push up. But if it closes like below this line here, it just means that there's not enough strength, and every time price tried to close above, we just failed and we actually closed below. So if it can't close above here, you have a good indication that we could be pushing up here. So that's what I'm probably gonna wait for on GJ as well. This 15-minute candle. Like I said, overall we still had this heavy resistance here looking left. 4-hour close at 9 a.m. It would not be the bullish we saw now. Do you expect 4 hours to be bearish? Yeah. So 4-hour looks like it's gonna fail to bullish here. So it could probably most likely will respect the daily time frame and the weekly time frame to come down today. So I'm looking at this candle is gonna flip bearish here. Next candle's probably gonna probably made a nice wick fill for next candle probably pop down like so. This could be the outcome here. Coming down to the support. So you could get a late move today. Like, it's still early in the day, it's still 8:30. So you can get a nice move around like 9, 10, 11ish. So let's see. If there is a move, I'm probably gonna call a signal for it. Since there wasn't much today. Alright, delete this. A lot of people took a lot of losses on GJ, because obviously they expected a lot of rain. I expected a lot of movements today. It wasn't tricky, but it was just they probably overtraded this morning. Like people who traded the New York session this morning, they probably overtraded it, because they seen potential breaks the highs, breaks the lows, or maybe they revenge traded today. A lot of people took a losses today, but you should be happy that you're only able to pretty much on your day break even today, pretty much 2 pips break even, pretty much. So yeah, -2 pips, but Yeah, not a lot of traders ended up their New York session today, but pretty in profit. They might have took a loss today. Just be happy. But mostly be happy that you were able to understand all my trades today. If you guys follow along throughout the whole stream. I understand my trades, understand how I manage the trades. Because you can use it today or tomorrow and the day after day and the day after that day, the day after that day, so forth. And the best part is with the live streams, it's up for replay. You know, some days what I do is I end my day off and I go back and I just watch the whole replay again sometimes when I'm bored. You know, sometimes if I wanted to get better, if I want to like back test, if I watch some old videos, see what I said in the past, you know, stuff like that. So I feel like the replays are very helpful. Or sometimes I want to watch a trade again, see how I got that trade, or you know, pretty cool. Watch your own replay again. It's like watching, like, for example, if you guys play sports, you guys don't understand that athletes, they watch their own footage again. Like NBA players, their coach makes them sit down and watch their own footage again from like a previous game. Same thing. It's just watching your live stream again. You know, it's the same thing. When you were learning, how much time did you put you aside for learning? When I started learning, I remember the exact time and stay up. I used to wake up from I used to start my day, my learning at 12 a.m. and I used to finish off at like 5 a.m. ish. That's when I started. Like that was like a few years ago. Like every morning, like literally every morning for a couple months. That's what I did. Cause I was busy throughout the day with school and work, and at night it was the only time I had time. So I put it ahead of sleep, I guess. I slept for like about 5 hours for the whole like couple months there. Literally like 5 hours a day probably. But like right now I suggest probably like after all of that, I'll probably suggest 2 to 3 hours per day max learning. Cause your brain can't take much after that. And I took a shit ton of notes, bro. My notepad from my when I first started it's pretty big. Took a lot of notes. I still have the notes as well, but I don't look at them. They're kinda useless at this point, but yeah. It's all stuff I know naturally, like I just know it back in my head now at this point. You know, simple support and resistance, etc. Stuff out there when I started. Oh, natural now. We have a minute here, guys, till it kind of closes here. The notes help you a lot. I mean, you should always take notes when you're studying or anything like that in school. You should always take notes, because when you write things down, you remember them a lot better than when if you just put it into your head and just, you know, think that you're gonna remember it. If you write it down, it's actually, you know, stuck in your head, and you just look back at it. Like me, I don't know. Like honestly, I think practice. Like you can take notes, but you also just gotta practice. Just reread them or just try to like really, you gotta implement. You gotta really like it's like trial and error. You really gotta try. You can't just take notes and just sit back and just one day read all your notes and you expect you to make money. You really gotta like test the market. So you gotta go like open a demo or whatever it is. Open a small account, trade off, see how you do in that week. Stick to your plan, see how you go. But you can't just take notes and just sit back and expect it to take over and, you know, become profitable the next day. It's not gonna work like that. If it was that easy, anyone can do it, right? What do you suggest doing in terms of practice, understand candle movements, pattern zones? You gotta hop on the streams every day, consistent, take some notes on the streams, and put them into action. That's the best thing I can say. If you don't have time for streams, then the course is here for you. You can replay the course over and over and over again until you want. But you gotta practice, bro, every day. You gotta be consistent every day. Wake up at the same time every day. Understand how the candles move at certain times of the day. It's pre-New York right now. Understand how candles move during pre-New York. I mean, it's New York. Understand how candles move during New York. Understand how they move during pre-New York. Understand how they're moving after 10. You know, understand like movement, the structure, everything. And you gotta do the same thing every day. You understand that. If you don't do the same thing every day, you're gonna be all over the place. You're gonna be trading every single session. And you're not gonna be focused on one session. You're gonna be, cramping your brain. So. Like I really try to avoid Asian sessions sometimes. Like this last week I avoided it pretty good. So even if I took one trade throughout the day during New York, and then I wouldn't even trade in Asian sometimes last week, just because I was happy with my profits for a day. I just remember it's a Monday, so. Yeah, this candle I was talking about, it closed bullish, guys, but it didn't close above these wick areas, these wicks, so mean that this candle could still, if still close below, this candle could still reject to go down. So there's no buys for me just yet. We see the course is better than your stream. It has a lot more detail, yeah. A lot more detail. You can rewatch it every day. Just look at the detail it has. There's a lot more in this. This is like just simple things it has. But yeah, it has a lot of detail. It's like 6 or 7 hours long. Videos, all videos. No reading. If you're not a reader, don't worry. It's all videos. It's not like, you don't gotta sit down, highlight a book, You don't gotta do that. The stream is just for me taking live trades and breaking down all my trades that I take. So you learn from that as well. But from the course, you learn already that, like, you can learn like the inside outs of it. How to draw support resistance, how to read candles, how to know when to trade, how to know manage risk, how to manage your own trades, how to withdraw, how to FAKO, continuation, all these things you learn about in the course that you can't really learn on streams due to time stuff. I can't really explain it on the streams. See, gotta be consistent, guys. You know, started the streams off, I think March. At one point, had like average of 8 to 10 views live. You know, stay with it. Didn't do it for the clout. Didn't do it for the views. Did it because I wanted to show you guys that you could. Well, show you guys how I traded, right? Every day. So if whoever wants to tune in, they can tune in. Whoever didn't want to tune in, didn't want to tune in, right? But at the end of the day, you gotta be consistent with it. And every day, been doing it every day since. And now we're at ranging, like say we hit 90 viewers, like we're ranging from like 60, 70, 80 viewers live. So same thing with trading, you know. When you start off, you're not obviously gonna blow off. It'll take you time. So as you start to be consistent every day, trade at the same time every day, do the same 2 trades every day, you know, do the same trades every day. In the long run, what's gonna happen? You have nowhere to go but up. Nowhere to go but up. Like the streams that has nowhere to go but up. It's just gonna keep going. It's just it depends on, now it depends on when is it gonna go up. That's all that depends on. But if you do the same, if you're doing the right thing every day, it's just gonna go rocket ship, right? Like for example, if you're just let's say if let's say this is a good example. Let's say you have a winning day and you're happy. Let's say you have a sad day and you're sad now. You have to find ways to be happy about that loss, that sad day, that lost day, because um if it's like, for say if we took a loss today, but you see how I'm happy about it. I'm happy about my loss today. I'm not bugging out. I'm not tripping or anything. I'm pretty happy with my loss. Why? Because I was able to find a reason to be happy about it, and that reason was that the way that I managed my trades today. So the point I'm trying to make here is you gotta be consistent. Like you can't be mad at the markets one day and happy the other day, because then you're gonna have too many emotions and you can't be trading in the markets with too many emotions because your mind's gonna be all over the place. You know, so you really gotta be consistent. Find ways to make your lost days good days. You know, whether it is because like, if you just take a loss and you're like fuck and go on your day, what's that gonna do? But if you took that loss and you're able to manage it to a T, you know, close early, you should be happy that you closed early because you actually saved some pips. You actually won some pips there on that losing trade. Like today, I can technically say we won 9 pips on our losing trade. We could have had 11 pip stop, but we had a 2 pip stop loss today on 2 trades. So be happy. Learn. How many pips do you have in your playbook? What? What does that mean, bro? What's the format of your course? Videos, quiz books. It'll be videos for now. I might add some quizzes in very soon. There's no book though. No books at all. It's my course. I'm not gonna make a. If I make a book, I'll put it in. But I'm not gonna. I don't have a book. 30-minute broke the highs here. The bear's kind of high. Looks like we're gonna pop up to this target now here, guys. This is kind of clean here. You know, buy stop here. Yeah, been looking nice. 8 pip stop. Not bad. Not a bad trade. Format. Let me see if I can log in here. Hold up, I'm gonna log in real quick. Logging in. Okay. So here's the login. So here's the Jimmy Lee on the right track. Here's the man when I drop my tracker, you guys can go nuts. Anyways, here's the course. You go on the course page. You go to the members area. Sorry, the members area. You have this is the course. You have easy, medium, hard, and you also have market. You have a little intro here of me explaining how to go through the course, etc. Obviously, instructions watch first, right? And then the rest is just, you know, medium, little medium. Got a bunch of stuff here, a bunch of videos. But yeah, that's what you guys get for today. That's all y'all gonna get. Looks like GJ came up to top that target here, guys. Very clean buys here as it tapped this resistance level. Very clean. How many plays do you have in your playbook? I don't know what that means, bro, but oh, how many plays? There, that makes sense. Yeah, how many plays? Probably around 9, 10-ish, 8, 9, 10, around 8 to 9, 10, around there. The plays doesn't mean that it's like right on, like it's exact same thing every time. It's similar, so that's how I base the plays off of. It's like a similar play to the past. Like if you go through my Instagram page, you guys gonna see how a lot of my trades are majority the same. Like look at these two trades right here, or these two trades in general. What like don't they all look similar? You know, clean traffic left, price driving down. Clean traffic left, price driving down. Clean traffic left, price driving down. Like it's all similar. It's all simple here. These three trades are all the same. Like back to back to back last week. You know, it's all similar. Let's see what else you got. You know, like this and this one and this one. Like look how similar that looks. I think 5 stops actually on 30-minute high. Yeah, potential move here. 5 stops here. 15 pip stops for like nice 18 pips. No, it's all the same. It's all similar. It's not 100% identical because the market's never gonna show something that's 100% identical twice. It's never gonna do that. But it's similar. The pattern is there. You know. But yeah. Appreciate the walk through the course. Gotcha, bro. I heard you say on stream that you have to have different plays in your playbook. Yeah, I do. I have the different 8 or 9 different plays. I have 8 to 9 different plays in my playbook. You have the fake out, you have breaking resistance, you have a gulag move, you have double fake outs, you have price breaking a bearish candle high to go up. You know, for example, this is one of them right here. Bearish candle, current candle lows, stops right there, solid support right there. You have this simple closing support, bullish support. You have a lot of shit to my playbook. It's not like gonna be 100% identical, but it's all similar. 4-hour close bearish on GJ. Yes, weak bearish. So it closed very weak bearish, right? So I think as GJ, just look at this. If GJ breaks this high today, guys, it's probably gonna pop further up today. Because they closed bearish, right? And it closed very weak bearish. So if it breaks this kind of high, it has a high chance of continuing up here. Same scenario we have on a 30 minute here. This kind of here bearish, breaking the highs. Same scenario we're gonna have on a 30 minute. If you go back on a 30 minute here, you have bearish candle, breaking the highs, continuation of uptrend. Same thing for the 4 hour. Same scenario. It's just a different time frame. I think this is a very clean move here. This would have been a trade if I didn't take another trade. If I took 2 trades today, this would have been my trade. Stops current candle as it broke the highs there, and TP would have been right here. Nice, like 9-10 pips. Very clean. If you guys have any questions for the course or anything, just send me a message on Telegram, or if you want to be quick, send me a message on Telegram. If you just want to message the Wix website, if you want the website, the chat box here, you can give us a little chat here. I might take longer to reply here because I don't check this often, but yeah, if you want quick access, message me on Telegram. It's at the top right of my screen, right there, right. Hold on. Right below there. So, yeah. Is this a promised land to the rocket ship? We tapped that resistance level, right? So now you gotta worry about this one. Like we tapped. This is the buy. This is the buy I could have had here. You gotta understand like how to really This is what you gotta get used to, right? So you have a support was made. Resistance made. This is your buy right here. This is your candle. So this is where you would have exited at. So now what we gotta wait for is a break of this resistance for more buys to go up. When is that gonna happen? I don't know when, right? But when it happens, you can take nice buys on. But look to the left. This is a very heavy resistance level right here on GJ. So yeah, but now you gotta wait for buys above here. You can't just take a buy here because you missed the buys here. You gotta wait for that. So rocket ship, yeah, above here would be a nice rocket ship up, bro. But be patient with it. Because technically the 4 hour is bearish right now, right? And this candle never broke the highs here. So let's see if this is a low, the high for price to drive down. This could be a nice wick fill coming down to this support here. But this is a very weak bearish candle, so keep that in mind. Bro, what's up with you in caps fix, bro? I'm so confused, bro. And looking at gold, guys, gold has been pretty ragey today too. gold hasn't moved as much as well. So personally, you have this range here, so just wait for a breakout of this range. This is your range here on gold. But hey guys, if the daily here closes bullish today, oh man, if it closes above this area, if it closes like 139 today, if it does, I don't know if it's gonna do it, but if it does, the daily tomorrow has a very high chance of going for up here. These levels, right? But I kind of want the daily to close bullish because I want to take buys on GJ to go up. I don't really like selling GJ as much. Today was just a bearish day though. But yeah, buys on GJ because GJ is overall bullish. Right? Overall, I wouldn't be surprised by it if this year, next year, it'll hit 145. Wouldn't be surprised at all. 145 is an easy target for GJ to retest the highs again. But for that to happen, we gotta break certain resistance levels, right? You can't just go there off the rip. But yeah, these highs will be retested here. So just understand you have another day tomorrow to trade, guys. You have another day to buy, another day to sell, whatever it is you want to do. If you guys enjoyed our stream so far, leave a like. We're at 70 viewers today. Right now, I think we can hit about 4 likes today. Leave a like, guys. It's easy. Go down, leave a like, boom. The more likes we get, the more recommendations we'll get on people's channels. The more people will be able to learn trade for free. Yep, see how GG rejected off this resistance there? Rejected off of it. I'm just kind of currently bearish here. If GG comes back in this range, you can get nice sells in, guys. I'm looking for sells later on during day. If GG comes back in this range here from 138 to 320, it's still a nice range where it could come back to fail still. So this is a nice 18-pip move that's pending right now. Pending. So just wait for it. Maybe below, if it breaks the 30-minute low here, it could take nice sells to come down. But, you know, it's 9 AM here. I might head up soon. We got news. I didn't see what happened here. No, not much. Tomorrow, this week is gonna be not bad. How would you? Not bad. We got news on Wednesday. CPI, core CPI could be big. On Thursday we got nothing. Friday we got core retail sales, which could be big. So this week is mainly focused on the dollar. Because last week we had a lot of pound news. We had the rate cuts, right? So this week the focus is the dollar. Dollar pair. I'm gonna wait for this 15 close and then we'll get off. See how it closes here, because if it closes here, guys, if it closes here at resistance here, we have a high chance of pushing back down here. Because it just means that we're rejecting off this resistance level, right? So I'm not gonna take sells off the rip, but I'm gonna watch it, see how it closes, because then the next candle will probably pop down. Then we're gonna take sells below here, coming back into range. That's what I'm gonna wait for. Hi. Hi, bro. What's up, bro? What up, ants? What up, bro? Pretty boring day today. Not gonna lie. You know, you guys often see me go on my Instagram page. You know why I go on this page? Because there's a lot of value here. I look at back my old trades. I see, you know, what I could have done. You know, I refer to a lot to my old trades here, and that's a habit of mine, but it's a good habit. There's a lot of value here, yo. You go on people's Instagram pages, you see nice fancy cars, you see nice fancy vacations, you see nice fancy kick up at the beach, nice fancy rented houses, mansions, whatever it is. You see all that on people's pages, but if you go on my page, all you're gonna see is value. All you're gonna see is trades we took with nice breakdowns. Sometimes you even see IG movies that are longer than a minute. You see, you know, for example, risk management. You get that. You get, you know, you get love analysis. You get maybe me talking about risk to reward. You get a lot of value on my page, guys. So it's on Instagram, so it's all free, right? But if you go on a different page, you're gonna get a lot of cars, you know, a lot of stuff that are not gonna help you. Would you guys rather have a fancy car that's gonna motivate you, or have value? Like, a lot of people get motivated by cars. I understand it, but the real value is the real value. If that makes sense. Yo, where's that Asia icon, dude? You always show up here. What? Where's your Asian icon, dude? I'm confused. Looks like the 15-minute close bearish here, guys. So as I said earlier, this candle has a high chance of it at the resistance level. This is the resistance level. This candle, as long as it respects this high, should be able to come down here. I'm not gonna take any sells. I'm gonna wait for price to break back below to support. Because if you guys watch Fridays and Thursdays stream, you guys understand what where's my you guys understand what level 1 structures and level 2 structures. This is level 1 right now, and below here would be level 2 structure. So sells below here would be much better. So yeah, this is pending right now. I'm gonna send a signal if I get one later. If I see an opportunity here later during the day. But I think I'm gonna head off very soon, guys. That you in the page? That's me in the page, bro. This is me on the page. My official Instagram is right here. If you guys go on the following, there's only one person I'm following, it's me. Anyone have a Forex group chat? Me. Telegram channel. Free channel. I deleted the community chat because it was too toxic. We saw like 4K members in there rolling, but now we only have I deleted it. So I don't know. I might start one up again. Who knows? There's a lot of like fake accounts as well in there. A lot of people made fake accounts to troll and stuff like that too. So I had to delete it. But if I make a new one, it might be real legit people this time. I'll see. But yeah, if you guys on the stream today, we managed to save 9 pips today. We closed. If you guys go back to the what was it, 7 a.m. mark and the 8:09 mark on both of those two trades, you will understand how we managed to trade to the T. We saved a shit ton of money on the trades today. A shit ton of pips today. Managed trades to the T. Closed early. Closed at break even. We avoided 2 stop losses. Very clean. So that's why I'm happy today for today. We weren't. It wasn't a profitable day. It wasn't a big high volume day. It wasn't any big pips or anything like that. But what it was you were able to learn about trading management, and that's what you would have got out of today's stream. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna head off here. You guys have a great day today. Thanks for all the love. Thanks for all the likes. I think we can hit more likes here. But don't overtrade today. Yeah, be looking for a signal on GJ if there is one later. I'll send it in the Telegram group. Other than that, catch you guys later and peace. Peace. Alright, peace everyone. Take care.